massive lake up there. How do you make those gear changes a bit smoother, mate?
Make sure the wheels straight.
No, that's the time to get them, but how do you make sure the gear changes are a bit smoother? What can you do with your pedal to make them a bit smoother? Clutch down quicker, lift it back up slower. Alright? Good. Still going to keep safe by keeping to the left hand side. Just gives us a better view. Just in case someone's coming the wrong way down a one-way street. See it on here all the time. What's the road like now? There you go. And what have I said? Just said we're going to keep to the left in case people come the wrong way down a one-way street, and YT52TTU does exactly what I was saying about, and he's just bombed all the way around that corner. Have a look at him behind as well. Okay. End of the road, we're going to turn left, Joe.